ndubva mumaoffices umu. Ndubva mumaoffices meagent wedzimba dzacho ndoma ndiri kubva. Mana, imagine about the agent. Could you also raz go back this man? Imagine no man. About travel of a good day, we also remember this cabin. Huh? I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed, man. About the agent, we also remember Westgate with in drive $10. We also not cabin. Yeah. Pakaipa maagent ngati serious man. Amafanisi mana ndatopinda ndichoti naona kawood kanyama. Naona kawood kanyama kasaba baba. Luka wood kacho. Naona kawood kanyama baba. Pinda mgeto. Dai so kwenda backyard naona mashura mana. Maagent asadaro mana. Even my owners acho nanzi munhu wachona arungodza vanhu panemba asitora vanhu cabin. Vanhu vari kusvika chinodisappoint vachisvika chiona chikebhini chitangwe napo izika amagent asadaro boys. Even my owners achona asadaro asiti pakashata. Man, I'm so disappointed, but look at the hood, bro. Look at the hood. So guys, I'm out here to Westgate shopping more. I'm gonna go and grab something to eat. I'm so pissed off and I'm so hungry at the same time. So let's get into chicken in or pizza in and see what can we get. You understand? So let's go and see what's popping. So guys, done eating, and yeah, this is Westgate Mall, Westgate Shopping Center, and I'm leaving Westgate Shopping Center. Yeah, I'm leaving the shopping center. Yeah, now and I'm going home, Baba. So Nchakwera town, and then maybe I will do drive from town. Kwenda kumba because I don't like. Hapo kwa zikuno wa makombo, ambuno wa hakwa. So yeah, let me go per road about the Kombi from town, and then because from here to my house it's like $15. So maybe the Kwera to 11 town. It will be maybe around $8 in or something. And I don't save. So yeah, let's go to town and see what's popping. Guys, munantaka kura kubva kwadaba kubva pamba pandapo swaba Westgate shopping center pandapo. It's actually fun. You know guys, you don't even know the way yandofara kana tasangana someone anondikona ichi. Anondiziva kuti mudara ndokuziya isikakashika chona munhu asangana nendachira anondiziya. I will just humble myself ndikuti bangwe bukufara nzira. Saka manje ndikuzotora wachita conversation manje chiti ndikutsvaka imba enda nofambira unoona chichichi bla bla bla. Ndinodogara pano pasina noise nekondedza nechita. Anza mudara ndazviziya kuti mandokuziya ndipraise ndika. Kana ndinoka nezita. But anyways amana, it really makes me so happy tisangana nemi. Vamwanyana unongonipa ziziso. Actually ndasangana na 3. Ndasangana nasikana 2. Mwanyana sangana ndichimhanya zingaita nanonoka idosangana agent, and she was like, "Oh, why do you look so tired? What's happening?" Ndakati pakashata. Ndakanonoka zingaita. And then yeah, Anyways, guys, thank you for your love and support. Now let's go home and see what's popping. Let's get it. So guys, ndapinda na town. As you can see uko. So yeah, ndakutsvaka makombe padeni manje. Wari kuchechi kunechi?
Kunonzi maSunday school.
Saka waendere kumaSunday school?
Hapana.
Waenda kumaSunday school kwacho? Kwakuchinzi chi kumaSunday school?
Sunday school.
Kwakuchinzi chi?
maSunday school nauye watigara.
Saka magare kumaSunday school? Magara? Alright. Good boy.
Turn.
So guys, it's another day, another Zola, and I'm chilling at my mom's place. As you can see, yeah. So basically what's happening today is I'm thinking of something, man. I'm tired of paying rent, you understand? So I'm thinking of building a house, nyana, like a room. You know, so I got my room and I institute take a bathroom. This is my mom's cottage. It's about 4 or 5 rooms. So I'm thinking of putting my own room there. Can shut decorator and then look at my tiles and then look at the ceiling and then institute inside the bathroom. I want to say something neat, you understand? A typical Airbnb vibe. So now I call the builder. I'm waiting for the builder to come and then do a measurement and see what's popping. So make sure you stay tuned to watch the video to the end. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content, understand? But yeah, we're planning to do something crazy, nyana, you understand? Because I know this is good for me to live in the same house. Because you know, the thing is like we don't have. In fact, I don't have plans to be here forever. Maybe I might plan to go back to SA. I'll just leave my things safe. Then what's around? Maybe we might get some opportunities to go to the UK, or maybe I don't know. If you are watching and you have some opportunities, you can also give us also, because we try everything, you understand? So yeah, so that's what's happening. Don't mirror the builder, and then now it's like that's what we want to quality like to 6, and then yeah, past the 6 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm waiting for the builder to come and then to do my measurements and then the quotation, the calculations, and see how much is it gonna cost. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Enda kuna gogo unoti anzi na sekuru nomboro msipiti kurumidza uye nawo uye unoyoka some plate manya piwa msipiti yo piwa msipiti. What's up, guys? It's another day, another dollar. As you can see, I am currently in Ushokunze. This is where my mom live. I think I'm a new student. Actually, my new student and stuff. So I requested in drive, but then the in drive Mukadzi, and then she's been lost. Arurasika, you know. And now I have to walk about 2 kilometers to go and link up with her somewhere. Hectic. So man, it's another day, another dollar. The plan for today is, since we just came, I plan to build my own room. But then after doing the calculations and stuff, I noticed I still need to budget a lot. Because the plan is like an Airbnb and back up at den. And then she got ready. So I decided to rent while I'm building the house. You understand? So the name I want to ask him, and I'm going to view the room now. So yeah, let's go together and see the room with Yamira. Say, let's get it. Samuto shanda. Nasi janji nani. Samuto shanda. Kuna traffic. Lazima nguteni wrong. Sababu leo straight to tena na. So guys, Dashika Pandruenda, I'm going to Aspindale. As you can see, this is Aspindale behind me. Let me show you. There is Aspindale where I'm going to. So let me check if I can find Parmanrauba Bachoneba. Don't know Aspindale. So Aspindale is a gated community. So munhu anosangana naye asizoda kupinda mugated community kana kuti it's a gated area yekuti panopindwa neessence wayo. So let's just hope kuti imba yacho inenge iri bold and tikwana imba inomake sense. Let's get it. Lemon. Let's Rambos. So that the tiles and ceilings label white in color. And then even then way. Let's think out, look at going to get a crisis, but guys, it's now raining. See, it's raining now. But I'm excited though. So guys, I'm out here at Chicken Aspendale. Guys, we got disappointing again. The house at our national is so dating, the walls, everything. But it's 3 more rooms to that one, which is one of the reasons I don't think that no one can understand. So, now I don't know, man, what to do, man. Last time on Tagafaro, I feel like my agents they need to be sued because they don't share my pictures. They don't know. One I'm disappointed. You see something different, guys. I'm so disappointed. I don't wanna lie. Right now, I'm just everywhere, and I'm so confused. You understand? So if you have a house, a nice room, ceiling and tiles that you have, that you know, please hit me up, and I would like to live in that room. And also, my Wi-Fi, if possible. You understand? And I want to deposit. Deposit. Yes, sir. So I guess it's another day, another disappointment. I request in drive much. So man, I request in drive. Now I wanna go back home. I wasted a lot of money. It's good as main drive. You know, I should buy a now it's more than $30. Fatigue.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, today the weather is so cool. Anyways, good morning guys. So basically still in the hood, as you can see. Yeah, I'm chilling. So basically what's happening today is gonna go to I'm visiting this cabin on the if you know them, the Mas family. We've got like a drama that I wrote, and we wanna shoot the drama day today. We wanna try something new for you guys because I noticed with industry but drama in series not family. So I wanna try something new, man. And you see, content is so hard to get, so I try to drama pass and we're gonna shoot it today. Maybe definitely if you are watching this video, check out the drama tomorrow. I think we're not upload because over the editor or upload. Maybe tomorrow or so yeah, stay tuned. See you in the morning and I'm still at home and just fetched some water. Maybe na pack on motor yake badize kuzine tero. Kachiko boshiro. Ngashiko biro na namba fa wa biro. So akaita kuvhara. So anyways guys, yeah. So now ndonodzisa mvura. Ndogeza, eat the cereal, and then we hit the road. So let's go. Let's fire, Baba. Oh, and also I'm going with Spider Vlogs. She's one of the actors as well. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. The movie is something big and something good. It's a love movie, an emotional love one. So yeah, make sure you check it out. Make sure you check it out. Let's go. Let's get it. So guys, done bathing. Hey, that's today. It's a bit cold, but I think I love this weather because lately going to pizza chocolate. So now I'm going. I'm so wrong. Looks so crusty. Maybe I have to pass through the barber and get a young yakarinyana. So yeah, let's pass through the barber and then I'll get a young yakarinyana. I don't believe this. Sure. So guys, a pizza. Now ndakunokwira makombi manje. Takabaya. Now ndamira paida. Ndasvika mutauro kudhara nanhasa asati auya. She always fuck up the time. But anyways, ngendimire tinoda wafa. Ndanosvika here. Mana ndombudzana yanga ichidinonotsa. Uri kudhota kana wasogara. Iwewe.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Ndakutoshikoto kuisa pa vlog rangu because ndingoenda ngopromota chichannel chako. Aiwa, anchada. So mana nzara ndiyandiro ndasvika muno 2 hours ago and then mumwe munhu hagonobata time. Akasike kutanga. But the last shoot akazvita. This is the second shoot. Tumuverengera. Mremon zvachamita. Mremon. Ine zamana gebo tsvaka something to eat. And then at the same time, phone yandiri kuningirina. Yani ndakabata mawanosana single, you need 2 phones. Chama chingodana nene mna sheria.
Chinja michana. There's no big difference.
No, ngeka affectika beka pina mvura. Sekeza tawestenga chikafu. Wapo vitu chakado tsaye. So you guys, we're about to end the vlog. Now we're going to kira energy. Muriya wakwabhora kwatikuenda kwachina kuna natanda semasi. And yeah, ndo paida nono so. Vari kuvloga jangi baba. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content and lesson. Tabaya kwa Muriya, and the vlog is ending here. At least I'm not to subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
John, so to one your casco. No, not on a baguette to that way.
All right.
Unaona chianjera ukadana na Jonto aunaka mama nikresa or upega
Purira ambochana. Ambo chiende.